In the opening chapters of my brand new book, you'll journey back 2,000 years. In the theater of your mind, you'll be placed squarely in the company of Jesus and his disciples. You'll be there when he discloses eye-popping insights to those who are the closest to him. The remaining chapters will take you through one biblical revelation after another, revelations that will at times leave you breathless from what you've seen. You'll also understand why most of the world, along with huge portions of today's institutional church, is oblivious to what's taking place around them in real time. And this grand demonic delusion is happening right in the midst of the most prophetic time since the first coming of Yeshua. But first, we have to see it. In Eyes to See, you will. Eyes to See is being featured on many Christian media programs, and it's available around the world from all of your favorite internet booksellers, as well as in a multiplicity of bookstores. Or you can order directly from my offices at carlgallups.com/store, where you can communicate with real people and even get your copy signed if you wish. While there, don't forget to click on the book's website link to read inside. Almost 50 pages of content. Do you have eyes to see? You will after you've turned the last page of this book. I can guarantee it. Order your copy now.
This changes everything.